guys, welcome to my channel. I hope they're having an amazing day. My name is Stephanie. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got during the Gymshark Blackout sale. The sale started on Monday and I'm pretty sure it's still going on. I bought everything on Monday and I got my package on Friday, which is really fast because I live in Miami and I believe everything's coming from the UK. And it only took 5 days, which is really fast. Usually like the good things are around 20% off, and then they have things that are 30% off, things that are 50% off, and then other things that are 70% off. If you hear any noise in the background, that has to be the AC. I'm so sorry. So I can't wait to show you guys everything that I got during the sale. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So here is everything that I got during the sale. I'm so excited because they never really have a sale. I think they only have like a summer sale and then a Black Friday sale, but they started on Monday, November 25th, and I placed my order around 2 something. The website took a while to load, so I think I placed my order around 2:30. And I got everything on Friday, which is super fast. I was very impressed of how fast I got everything. So every item comes in these little bags. So the first thing that I got, it's this hoodie. It's a long sleeve and I got it in the color washed green, and it's a Gymshark Poise hoodie. I like the fact that you can push this and it's a little bit cropped. And the material is super soft, and I like that it's a V-cut. It has a hoodie on the back, and if you want it looser, I'm pretty sure you can just do that. The thing that I got, it's this bra. It looks like this. It's super cute. I love the color. And this one, it's the Gymshark Legacy Fitness bralette in pink. It looks like that. It has a little old Gymshark logo here. And then here's the back, and it has the little straps here so you can adjust it. I think that it gives me like a decent support. I honestly thought that this wasn't gonna give me any support, but it's giving me like a medium support, I would say. I wouldn't do hit on it because I know that it's not gonna support me, but for like weight training, Stairmaster, upper body, legs, I think that this would be cute. I do like it, and I got it in a size small. I also got this hoodie. It looks like this. It's super cute. Looks like this. And this one, it's called the Gymshark Dash hoodie, and I got it in black and I got it in a size medium just because I like the oversized. So it has 2 strings here to like adjust the hoodie. It looks like this. I like it because it's black, it's settled. It does say Gymshark here, but honestly you can barely see it. And I had to get this black hoodie because I'm a sucker for cropped hoodies. And it looks like this, and it's perfect to wear with high-waisted leggings. I think this black one will go with anything. It will go perfectly with these leggings and also with any other color just because it's black. And I love the oversized look. I think it's like a perfect cropped because it's not so cropped up to here, but it's not so long. And so I do like it that it's wide because it's more comfortable. And so this is a great option when you don't know what to wear to the gym, because you can literally just throw on whatever color leggings you want. You just put on this hoodie and you're ready to go. The next thing that I got is these leggings. I also got it in the same color to match with the sports bra. They look like this. They look so pretty online, and I'm pretty sure it's the same color, pink. And these are the Gymshark Legacy Fitness leggings in pink, and I got it in a size small. I got it because it has like a butt contour here on the top where both of the lines go in, which that's so flattering on the butt. Okay, and these are the leggings, which I hate because they were so uncomfortable to like put on. It was a mission to like put them on. I honestly don't like them because you can see like a seam here like enhances the camel toe. Just not comfortable. It doesn't feel comfortable. And here on my quads, it's very uncomfortable. As you can see, it's like very restricting. Honestly, don't like these leggings. I feel like it has too many seams like this. Makes me look like I have a diaper. Like, look, you can see all my cellulitis here. and it has a pocket on the side, which I don't mind. So I'm just gonna be real with you guys. I don't like these leggings. When I had the leggings up to here, it wouldn't pass my hips. It was really uncomfortable to put it on. I also got another pink leggings. I think that everything that I got here was either black or pink. They look like these, and I got it in a size small, I believe. Let me check. Yeah, in a size small. And these are the Vital Seamless leggings in Pastel Grape. Wanting to try these leggings for so long because I've heard so many good things about them. Here's how it looks. See a little bit of my cellulite here, which it's normal with any light leggings because I do have. But I do like these a lot more than the ones that I just tried on. I think that they are squat proof. It has a more similar feel to the camo. I would just say these are a lot more compressive. The camo are way more stretchier. I think that I got, it's like this crop like sweater. It's like a cropped long sleeve crop top kind of. It's like this. This one is the Gymshark Legacy Fitness long sleeve crop top in pink, and of course I got a medium. It's super cute. And here's a crop top that I got. As you can see, it's super wrinkled. I'm glad that I got it in a size medium, because if I got it in a small, it would have probably been up to here, and I think that's too much. So I'm glad I got it in a size medium because I feel like it fits me really good, and I do like the oversized look. Super cute. Has a Gymshark logo on the back, and I like it that it's settled. It's like white. It's not so like out there. Material, it's like super different. It looks like it has, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has like breathable holes. It's like that. I don't know how to describe it, but it's super different. It doesn't look like that online because it's perfect to wear it with high-waisted leggings. So the best pair of leggings that Gymshark has ever made, it has to be the camo, which I have in green and in purple, and I also have the black ones, which are dirty right now. I think that if you don't have these, I think that you need to get them, especially that now they're on sale. I think that these were like 50% off, which is crazy, because when I got them, I bought them for the full price, which was $60. I think that for Gymshark, $60 is a lot, but now that they're 50% off, they are, I think, $30, which is amazing. It's a steal. If I didn't have them right now, I would have probably got them in the sale, but now that I have the 3 colors, I don't need another one, so that's the reason why I didn't buy them during the sale. So if you guys don't have the camo, I would say buy the camo on sale because it's a really good deal. I would get the green one, of course, and then I would get the black one, and then if you do have the black one and the green one, I would say get the purple one because they're squat proof. They fit really nice. I like that they keep your tummy in place, which is really good, and it doesn't really dig in, and you can roll it up if it's too high-waisted for you. I love the fact that it's sweat proof, it's squat proof, and it has a little scrunch in the butt, which makes the butt look so good. I believe that the sports bra is also on sale. The sports bra is not my favorite because I have really big boobs, so it doesn't give me any support. It does lift them up, so if you're more on the smaller size, I would say this is a great sports bra for you because it lifts the girls up, but I honestly don't need any more lift, so this is not really supportive for me. Like, I cannot do hit in this because it has no support at all for me. But I know that they have a crop top, and I didn't want to buy it just because I already have the matching this, and I can just put another top over this. And I like to wear these leggings with like a black crop top or a white crop top. These are the best leggings that Gymshark has. So if you don't have your hands and you're gonna order anything from the sale, I would say get the camo because hands down, they're best leggings. So that concludes the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope they're having an amazing day. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell notification so you can notify whenever I upload another new video. And I hope to see you again.